Ilocano. Nagpunta tayo sa San Diego, Sis Maita. Here she comes! Hello, hello!
Hello.
Belia Fabelar.
Yes.
Welcome po sa inyong dalawa. Thank you for saying yes to our invitation. Bago ko kayo pag-introduce ng inyong mga sarili, hello to our viewers. Please let us know where are you tuning in para po mabati namin kayo.
Ayan, ang unang ating panauhin.
Yeah, 1 million viewer. Unang-una na dyan si Brother Wells from
Thank you,
California. So, let's start. Sis Lynn, can you please introduce yourself? Tell us something about you. Go ahead, Sis Lynn.
Yes, I am here with you guys having a good conversation with you all. Thank you for having me here, Sis Micah, Coach Daphne, and Sis Mona. Get well soon and upset about this. So, before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. I am Raylene Del Monte. Just call me Ate Lynn. Good morning and good afternoon and good evening to our viewers, wherever you are watching from. So, I am an entrepreneur here in Angeles City, Pampanga, here in the Philippines. I run traditional business which aligns with my skill. I design and make stylish gowns and suits for a location. So, kung meron kayong mga events, pwede kayong mag-order sa akin. So, nag-ano ka na.
Yan, meron na akong pupuntahan.
Kapag nagawi kayo dito sa Philippines, so pwede kayo pumunta dito sa Angeles City, Pampanga. So, it's marami dito. Marami kami mga business gown rentals here in Angeles City. So, I am Ilocana by birth, pero I grew up here in Angeles City, Pampanga. So, shout out sa aking Coach Michelle na Malago, Maya Aldo, sa mga kabalen, and shout out rin sa ating mentor na si Raquel and Shine. So, they are pretty Malago Kapampangan.
Wow.
Thank you, Bakri.
All right. How about you, Sis Bella? Please introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Good morning. Good afternoon, wherever you are. My name is Belia Fabilar, and thank you so much first sa pag-invite sa akin dito, Coach Daphne, Sis Maita, and Sis Martes. Thank you so much for this opportunity, for this. It's your time to shine. Yay. So thank you. So, okay, my name is Belia. Of course, I live here in California. Originally from the Philippines, obvious talaga, Bisayag akong from Romblon. Kumusta mga kababayan natin? Hello! So, I am a mom. I have 2 kids, and of course, I have a husband, a very supportive husband, and I am a stay-at-home mom. And of course, I am a mentor, and I am so proud that I have this digital business that I am doing while I'm taking care of my family. So, yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Oh, nice. Sis Maita, ano siya, very energetic sis Belia. Isang Ilocano at saka semi-Bisaya ang Romblon, di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
All right, Sis Martes, the stage is
Okay. Eto na. So, sa aming mga followers, friends, and relatives, thank you for being with us tonight. Before tayo mag-proceed, gusto ko munang itanong natin sa ating mga guests para makilala naman natin sila about their personal and not only for the professional or business side. So, ready na ba kayo, Sis Belia and Sis Lynn? Ano lang naman to, light-hearted question lang. It's a version of fun warm-up to help everyone feel more at ease. So, Sis Belia and Sis Lynn, are you ready to share a little info about yourself? Ito na yung number 1 question. Travel destination on your bucket list. Sis Lynn.
Yeah. Since I live here in the Philippines, na napakarami pong tourist spots. So, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Philippines, maraming tourist spots dito. Ang hindi ko napuntahan is yung Cebu City. So, that's number one in my bucket list. And another, if I'm going to travel outside the Philippines, in Asia, I want to go in Hong Kong. So, yun. And in Disneyland. Kasi dapat si Disneyland, dito siya dapat sa Clark, Pampanga, dito sa Philippines. So, it should be Disneyland Philippines. Pero hindi siya natuloy. And of course, if I were going to in America, I want to go in Los Angeles. Actually, in Nevada, kay Ate Marta.
Oh,
So, yun ba yung sinasabi nilang, the city that never sleeps?
Correct.
Yes.
I want to experience the city
Actually,
that
ang city that never sleep is New York.
New York.
Ang Las Vegas is Sin City.
Sin
Mga kasalanan.
Ako po.
so, that's in America. So, it's a bucket list, right? In Europe
Yeah.
naman, London. I want to see if the London Bridge is really falling down.
Ah,
And lastly, of course, I want to travel or visit Australia.
mm, mm,
I want to see a mother kangaroo
mm.
Oh, yes, yes.
and a baby kangaroo in it. So that is my bucket list, travel destinations bucket list. Thank you, sis.
Nice.
How about you, sis, Belia?
Okay, syempre marami. Okay, gusto kong talagang mag-travel around the world. But of course, my bucket list first, yung mga destination ng mga pilgrimages. Yun, yung mga pilgrimage kung saan si Mama Mary nag-appear. Of course, I'm excited to visit those. But of course, narating ko na yung Medjugorje sa Mexico. So I'm so blessed na napuntahan ko na. Pero, Medjugorje ba yun? Hindi, yung Mama Mary
Sa Guadalupe.
Our Lady Guadalupe. So yeah, napuntahan ko na yon. And then of course, gusto kong mapuntahan yung Our Lady of Fatima, Lourdes, mga ganon. So yun ang mga gusto ko talaga, mga gustong puntahan. I'm excited. And of course, yan ang kasama ang Daco family pag nagpunta ako doon. Yes, yun.
Yeah.
Yes, I love it. I love it.
So, number 2 question. Nung bata kayo, lagi niyong sinasabi, paglaki ko, gusto kong maging sis Belia.
Okay. Siyempre, bata talaga ako. Gusto ko talaga makarating sa Amerika. Oh my God! Very, very talaga ako ng bata ako. Kaya dapat iisipin ko yung ano ako noon nung bata pa ako. Kasi talagang behave ako because you know what I said? God, this is my dream. I remember when I was just like, I think maybe 5 or 6, and then I saw a foreigner and I called foreigners, okay? Oh my God, ang gwapo-gwapo ng foreigners! So, feeling ko talaga is, magwapo sila kasi syempre ang tangos ng ilong niya.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanna go to America. And then, of course, I want to get married too with American. So ngayon, totoo talaga yan. And then, of course, when I said to my my family, syempre even like elementary, high school, behave talaga ako. And I said, okay, I don't like to, magkaroon ng boyfriend na taga-amin because I want really a foreigners. And I said, if I have a boyfriend that, kahit may crush talaga ako, oh my God, talagang I love this person, very kind, and gusto ko talaga kasi cute pa, but I want to be straight with my dreams. Kasi I want to help my family. So I believe if I go to abroad, especially America, then my dream will come true for my family, to help my family. That's for sure for me. So now I said, okay, when I grew up, I want to go to America, married a foreigner, and have two kids. girl and boy. I want girl first and boys next because I like to have a children that's speaking English. So that's what happened. And you know what? God is so good to me, and that dream came true.
Wow.
Dream come true.
That's awesome.
That's it, Sis Delia.
So,
How about you, Sis Lynn?
ako naman medyo madrama yung sa akin. When I was young, sabi nila, anong gusto mo paglaki mo? Sabi nila sa akin.
Mhm.
So sabi ko, I want to be a teacher. Sabi ko ganun. So straight, kasi bata, di ba? I want to be a
Yeah.
teacher. But when I grew up, sabi ko, maghirap pala maging teacher. So sabi ko, I want to took up in AB English. So that is a 4 years course. So gusto ko naman, agad kong matulungan yung family ko kasi I came from a very poor family. So hindi naman siya very poor kasi may trabaho naman yung parents ko. Mga mananahi sila. So yun yung naman ako sa kanila. Yung
Mhm.
paggawa ng mga kanila. So yun. Sabi ko, I will just took up 2 years course para mabilis. Makakapagtrabaho ako kaagad. So I finished up computer science. Tapos naging encoder ako. I got a job after that. And then, sabi ko, mahirap pala yung living paycheck to paycheck. So sabi ko, itutuloy ko yung ABE ko. Okay? Nagtatrabaho ako sa umaga, I study by night. So yun, student ako paggabi. So sabi ko gano'n, mahirap din yung paycheck to paycheck. When I got married, so nagsawa na ako sa kakaaral, kakatrabaho. Sabi ko, it's time to get married. Inabot ako ng 26 years old na kami. Nag-asawa ko. After that, sabi ko, I will build my own traditional business. And the history is, yun nga, nagkaroon ako ng traditional business. So,
Yeah.
thank you sa mother-in-law ko na naghikayat sa akin na to start. Kasi, yung napangasawa ko is, meron din silang shop. So, mananahi rin yung mga parents niya.
Yun pala talaga ang line.
Ang line
So,
niya.
dream come true rin siya. It's a dream come true. I want to be a business, to have a business, to be a business owner of a traditional business. So, dream come true din siya.
Nice.
Okay, number 3 question. What are you afraid of, Sis Delia?
Oh my gosh, of course, death. Oh my gosh, pagod talaga akong mamatay. Ano ba? Lord, sandali lang. Of course, ngayon, may dahilan kung bakit. Kaya siguro yun. Okay, when I was, hanggang sa ganito na takot ako. Pero ngayon, merong reason pala kaya ako takot. Kasi, hindi ko pa nagawa yung mission ko sa buhay. May gusto akong gawin. Kaya siguro ganun na lang yung takot ko. Especially na, syempre, gusto ko talagang matulungan yung family ko. And hindi lang yon dahil syempre galing sa probinsya, alam ko naman ang buhay, hindi ganun kasagana. So gusto ko talaga na magawa yon, matulungan ko sila, ma-settle down sila. And of course, yung relatives namin, yung community namin na alam ko naman nangangailangan ng help, yung church namin, gusto ko talagang matulungan. Lalo na ngayon, I heard from my sister na yung simbahan daw namin na kung saan kami nagsisimba noon, yung nanay namin dala-dala kami doon, ngayon, tumanda na rin. Kailangan na talagang ma-renovate. Oh my gosh, iniisip ko, God, please God, sandali lang. Alam ko, I have a mission. So God, please partner with me, God. This is for us and for you, for the glory of your name, God. Help me. So, kaya siguro, and syempre, takot pa ako mamatay dahil maliliit pa yung mga anak ko, no? So, syempre, sandali lang, God. Death talaga. But God, pero, syempre, I have a mission na ilang accomplish ko yun. So, I pray kay God. God, sandali lang. Ay.
Wag muna.
Yeah.
How about you, Sis Lynn?
How about me? Parehas kami, takot ako mamatay. gusto ko munang yumaman bago mamatay. So,
Yeah, of course.
so I want to build this digital business muna na pwedeng maging future to make my future to be secured. So para sa mga anak. So I have 2 kids. Yung isa, panganay is matatapos na siya as civil engineer. So siguro yun yung yung pinagtrabahuan namin on my traditional business na 22 years na ako sa traditional business. So my back aches na rin kaya siguro yun yung investment namin. Wala man time freedom, wala man siyang kung ano-anong freedom, pero nakapagpaaral naman kami ng mga anak namin. So, yes, ako din akong mamatay, kumukha katulad ni Miss Paula. So, yun. I am afraid of the things that I cannot control. So, I pray to God that let God be in control of everything. Kaya yun. I'm afraid.
Correct.
Okay, number 4 question. What are you good at? Sislin.
What are you good at?
Oh,
Of course, I'm good at of my skill na gumagawa ako ng mga gowns, suits, dresses. So I'm also good running my traditional business kasi hindi naman siya tatagal ng ganito.
Yes.
O malulugi siya, di ba? Mababangkrut ako. So I want to be good at that one. And also, I am good at to manage my people. Kasi meron ako employees dito. Siguro mga less than 10 employees. Good. I am good at shout out sa mga Amiras Angels.
Nice.
So, salamat sa inyo. You're doing a good work and keep up the good work. Thank you.
How about you, Sis Delia?
okay, what I'm good at. Okay, iniisip ko ha. Okay, I'm good at entertaining. Pag merong mga occasion, I am good at entertaining them. Like especially if I am having a party in our house. Oh my God, I'm too much. I want to be like everything set perfect, colorful. I'm decorating and hindi talaga ako matutulog hanggang hindi tapos yung decoration. Ihang ko talaga,
Hands-on.
ihang ko everything kahit madaling araw na yan. Ang asawa ko laging disappointed sa akin, nininervyos daw siya. Kasi instead na matutulog na siya, no? Kasi midnight na. Sabi ko, please, can you please help me hang this over there? I cannot reach it. And then, oh my gosh. And then, syempre, and of course, the party, I want the visitors, every time they come, I want to offer them, what do you like? Okay, and then, would you like this? Would they sit down? Oh, here's you. Oh my God. And I'm so tired after that. Oh my God, what happened? I have no time to be like talking to them because I'm entering, giving everything instead of, like, come on. But me, I'm good at, I want them to be full. I want them to be like, comfortable with their seating. I'm good.
She's a good, ngayon. She's very hospitable in her,
Yeah.
Good host.
good host siya, good host.
Yeah.
Okay, last question. Walk, run, or fly? Sis Belia.
I like walking because flying, I'm scared of, falling down. My sister said, when are you going to the Philippines? Oh, 1 second. Did you hear the news? Meron na namang na aeroplano. Oh my God, I feel nervous now. And of course, the car, or running. Oh my gosh, running, it makes me like, I don't like that. Nanenervyos ako sa kakadali. So, walking na lang ako para relax lang.
How about you, Sis Lynn?
So if I were to choose from walk, run or fly, I will choose walking na lang. For
Mm,
me, it's the best the
mm,
best for me because when I walk, I unwind myself because
mm,
of the sceneries while walking. Nakikita mo sila, ano. So it can be also be used in my business. I walk na lang, taking it slowly but surely. So pwede rin bilisan, walking fast,
mm,
but siguro magiging accurate din naman. So
mm.
especially in my business, I choose walking.
Very good.
Naman. Oh, let's acknowledge muna yung mga ano natin, ating mga audience.
Uh-huh.
Ayan, si Miss Patricia Peters. Galing siya sa
Miss
States.
Pat,
Hello,
Hello.
hello. And then we also have ano,
Lorena.
Coach Lorena from Canada. Thank you, sis.
Thank you, thank you.
Ayan, salamat, salamat.
Ayan. So, ano na tayo sa mga totoong questions na tayo, alright? So, but anyway, thank you for sharing yung ating mga light questions. It's important for us to go back and know all this para strong and clear ang mga whys natin. Yung mga why natin, why are we doing this business, right? So now for my first question, Sis Daphne. So, lahat naman tayo ay nag-start with this business because we saw an ad, right? So, ang question ko is not your why, but what initially caught your attention about this business that motivated you to click on the ad and register? So, ano yung nakita nyo doon sa ad na yun? Ano yung naka-resonate sa inyo that made you click and register that? So, let's start with Sis Bella.
Okay, so when I clicked the ad, because I was really looking for something to do to earn extra income.
Mm-hmm.
And when I saw my coach ad, I did not really click right away. And then, but for like, oh my God, maybe weeks, but that night, it was like for me until morning, I was on my computer looking for opportunity talaga na totoo.
Mm-hmm.
And when I saw that ad, I saw my coach with her baby. And she was talking about this opportunity that she was doing this digital business on her uh, free time because she was still working with her full-time job as accountant and
Mm-hmm.
still having, like family time with her newborn. And then, but I ignored. I, hindi ko muna talaga pinansin nung nakita ko lang and then kinilik ko it out. And then I was like continue doing something else like finding more. And then suddenly because it was on YouTube. So like maybe like for a few minutes after that, after a few minutes again, nag-appear ulit the same. I said, "Oh my gosh, bumalik ka na naman." I click na naman. Hindi ko naman in-off ko lang ulit. So ngayon, sige pa rin ako. Medyo matagal na rin, siguro after an hour, maybe like that. Naku, bumalik na naman the same ad na yan. I said, and siyempre, madaling araw na dito sa akin noon, nung gabing yun, I remember. Kasi
Mm-hmm.
talaga, hindi talaga ako mag-give up. Sabi ko, meron talagang something dito. Saan kaya yun? And then, sabi ko, nung bumalik siya third time, hindi ko na inilip. Tingnan ko nga, click. Talagang winas. Ngayon, nag-watch talaga ako. Oh my
Mhm.
gosh, really? Is this true? Meron palang ganito? Hala, sige nga, tingnan ko nga. So that, because of that, she was a mom talking about this opportunity na na siyempre ako talaga that time I was looking, so that's why I was curious kung ano ito, pero I feel in my heart that there is something na good to this opportunity, that's why I clicked.
Mm. So what motivated you is the opportunity.
Mhm,
So,
mhm. And it came back 3 times and I said, oh, maybe this is the sign. 3
mhm.
times talaga.
Awesome. How about you, Sislin?
So, what initially caught my attention? So, actually, hindi naman siya ad ang nag-caught ng aking attention.
Okay.
It was an employee na,
Mhm.
ate, tignan mo itong FB lang pinsan ko. So, that is mentor ako sa pinsan niya. Para siyang na-hack, sabi niya. Meron siyang mga pinupost ng ganyan, no? Dami dollars, sabi niya.
Mhm.
So, ano yan? So, I got curious about it. Hindi ko siya inay as a friend. Hindi ako nag-send ng FB request friend. So, tinitignan ko lang yung mga, I scroll. So, I like some of the pictures. So, nagla-like ang ganyan. And then, I caught up with Coach Michelle video na ini-share niya sa kanyang timeline. So, na-caught up ako doon. Sabi ko, ano kaya itong business na to? And then, I click like reaction. So, days passed by na hindi ako nag-scroll, hindi rin ako nagla-like. Then one day, sabi ni Coach Michelle, nag-send siya sa akin. Parang nag-like ka sa isa sa mga sa mga post ko. So, from yun na. So, kasi sabi ko, yes, sabi ko. So, sabi ko, what is that business? So, yun, nag-umpisa na dyan. So, actually, it's not an ad. Kasi madalang lang makita yung ad dito sa Philippines.
Okay.
Hindi mo siya talaga friend. So, yun, sabi ko, sabi sa employee ko, no, it's not a scam. It's a real business, sabi ko. Just like my traditional business, meron siyang puhunan. So, it's not a scam. Sabi ko, it's tax registered, sabi ko. So, your pinsan is in the good hands, sabi ko gano'n. Hindi fake yung account niya. So, that is my name. Okay. And then, Coach Michelle, send me a message. So, yun, nag-umpisa lahat doon. So, it's their FB post that caught my attention.
Say that again. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Also caught my attention because that time, it's July, August, from May. It's a low season. Sabi ko, it's time to have a side hustle. That's why. I dropped it for a side hustle. And I think it's not going to be a side hustle kapag ginawa mo siya.
Yeah.
It will secure your future if you do the business. Business, of course.
That's great.
Attraction talaga.
So this question, so our audience will know that our business is attraction marketing, and it's for not everybody, but anybody that wants, for example, kay Sislin, another side hustle, and kay Sis Bella naman is yung nagustuhan niya yung sistema, right? So, yun. Thank you for sharing that. Okay, Coach Daphne, your second question.
Yes. Ayan. Ako naman, napakaganda naman ng iba-iba sila ng no? Yung isa attraction marketing, isa she was about the opportunity. I love those. That's what I love about this business, kanyang lang, kung paano ka na. Anyway, ang aking question mga dear ay ganito. Nung nag-umpisa tayo lahat, 'di ba? May kanya-kanya tayong reason why we started. And then meron tayong kanya-kanyang mga expectations sa umpisa. Gusto natin mabilis, kikita ba ako, yung ganyan, 'di ba? I picture myself how my business is going to be, right? And my excitement at that time, my mindset. But along the way, maraming nababago. Yung mindset natin noon ay pwedeng mabago rin along the way, right? Our goals before might not be our goals. It might be modified along the way. So, may kanya-kanya tayong mga reasons why. So, ngayon, ang itatanong ko naman sa inyo ay, so how have your expectations changed from when you first started to where you are right now? Ayan. Ano na yung may mga na-change ba yung mga expectations nyo from before to now? So can you share that? O umpisahan naman natin sa Philippines. Sis Lynn.
So, how have my expectations with this digital business? So, nung nakita ko siya, I had a high expectations about achieving my rapid success and growth. Kasi nakita ko naman, wow, ang ganda ng mga resulta nila. However, I nag-progress naman ako. So, I realized that the importance of patience, persistence, and continuous learning. My expectations have shifted to focus more on building. So, kailangan muna talaga natin matutunan ang lahat-lahat. A strong foundation, to build a strong foundation with the business, and the adoption of challenges. So, kasi, pag nagtayo ka ng business, marami talagang challenges na, may mga obstacles. So, you have also to celebrate small wins along the way. So, gusto ko, yun yung mga expectation ko in building a business, especially this digital business. So, it's been a valuable journey for me of growth and self-discovery. Na-discover ko na mayroon palang ganitong business online like this one. So, this digital business is an answered prayer for me, na pwede ko nang gawing side hustle o kaya in the long run, pwede ko siyang gawing to secure my future, family, to have the freedom, to have the stability in financial. So yun, it's a blessing. That is my expectations sa digital business natin.
Wow, nice. There you go. Thank you for that answer. Patience and focus more on the foundation kasi yun ang magdadala sa atin, di ba? And I love that, the mindset of celebrating wins. I love it. I love it. O ngayon naman, let's put the focus on Sis Belia. Ikaw naman, anong mga expectations mo na nabago ba mula nung noon at hanggang ngayon?
Okay, my expectation when I first started and ngayon, okay? So, okay, before, of course, I thought this online business is just, like, I really don't know what to do at first. I thought, oh my gosh, I'm not sure if I can do this. I'm not really a social media person. And I don't really, I don't want to show my face everywhere. Oh my gosh, I don't really want that. But you know what? When I'm doing this since then, oh my gosh, I was surprised na, na this online business, anyone can do this. Kasi, hindi naman malaki yung yung dapat na yung changes sa sarili mo, kundi yung you have to face the the reality of online world if you are joining to this kind of business, because it's a social media. So yeah, it's right, it's about mindset, and syempre be open para syempre ito ay magawa. So before, akala ko hindi ko talaga magawa dahil it's online business, and I thought only the people that have a business degree can do this business. Okay, and then that's why at first I was really doubting myself, and I feel like, oh my gosh, I'm not sure. So that's why when the first time I click, and then of course, and then I said, oh no, I think I cannot do this. But you know what? Because of my big dreams, and then now, I started, and then I see myself changing also. It's about like willingness to do it. And because of that, it's very different me, but then and now. So my expectation is I can do this kahit ako ay ordinary person lamang.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Wow, I love the conviction, 'di ba? And, the becoming of who you become, right?
Yes.
Yan. Hindi lang financial. Kasi anong tawag doon? Minsan if sometimes you're a very introvert person and then you come out
Mhm.
here, you become a better version of you.
Yes.
Yeah, yun ang minsan na hindi nababayaran. And that's one thing na ang sabi nga, 'di ba, you work hard more on yourself more than your job. Kasi it will, sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, 'di ba? Yan ang malaking malaking bagay yan. Kasi if you work on yourself like you do, like who you are right 3 years, 2 years from then to now, totally a big difference. Uh, yon, mindset wise. Ayan. Wow naman. Well, love your answers, ladies. Thank you for sharing those. Just have an open mind always, diba? Yan ang expectation natin. And it's always constantly changing. As long as we have our strong why, our goals might be modified along the way. Ayan. Perfect. So, Sis Martes, do you want to take the floor to ask the questions for Sis?
Yes, coach. Kaya kung naglaro. So, this is super salamat for Sis Mona. Clear ba ako, coach?
Lapit
dahil,
ka.
dahil she's not feeling okay, kaya ako na ang magtatanong. So, in our business, meron tayong mga challenges, mga struggles, up and downs. Ganun naman sa business, di ba? Hindi lahat glory. Meron ding may mga struggles tayong pagdadaanan. So, what has been the biggest lesson you've learned in your business journey, and how do you plan to apply it moving forward? Sis Belia?
Sis, you're muted. Sis Belia.
Okay, sorry. I muted myself. Okay, so biggest lesson I've learned in my business journey, and how do I plan to apply it moving forward? Okay, of course, my the biggest lesson is yeah, doing this online business. Of course, this is my own business, right? So the biggest lesson of this is for me is having my own, na hindi naman ako meron dati na business, and this one is really real business. And if I don't do this with with willingness, and uh, like open uh, yeah, open to learn everything about how to move forward this this business of mine, then my business will not be successful. So the biggest lesson for me is learning, doing this business, and learning to be focused with my own uh, uh, how to say, yung changes sa sarili ko, mindset, and of course yung willing to learn everything. And then of course I uh, I can apply this to my business journey, to moving forward. If I am positive person, and not only motivated, but of course I have to do it because it's my own. So, uh, this business journey for me is very important because if I don't have this, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like only a nanay from home, cooking and cleaning, and then that's it again and again. So for me, this is the biggest blessing, and it helped me to be me and to be, to have a goal in my life and to have a mission to help me, my family, and others. So that's why I'm doing it. And of course, it's moving forward. And this is the one that, I want and for others to be, to share and the same thing. So I think that's the one.
Oh, thank you so much, Sis Belia, for sharing that. That lesson is really powerful and it's super inspiring. How you gonna, yung paano po i-apply sa yung journey. And
Mhm.
I'm sure marami sa mga nanonood ngayon o nakikinig na they also thinking about how to improve themselves. So thank you so much for sharing, Sis Belia. How about you, Sis Lynn?
How about me? So, my biggest lesson na natutunan ko sa ating digital business in my business journey with our digital business. So, yun, ito yung wala kasi ako eh. Yung kumbaga yung do not overthink everything. Yung na-overthinking ako na kailangan ganito, kailangan ganun. So, paano ba to? Yung mga ganun ba? So, ito yung wala ko, yung focus. Wala kasi ako sa focus minsan. So, sa dami ng ginagawa ko, minsan, hindi ko alam kung ano yung uunahin ko. So, wala ako minsan sa focus. Kaya, kailangan ko ng pen at saka ng paper to list down all my gagawin for the day. So, para magkaroon ako ng focus kung ano yung uunahin ko. Especially, meron akong traditional business. So, ano kasi ako, hands-on kasi ako as a traditional business owner. So, lagi ako nandito sa shop ko. I want lahat nakikita ko, lahat ng gusto ko, lahat ng ginagawa nila nakikita ko. So, minsan nga sabi ko, dapat pala ako yung bayaran ninyo, sabi ko gano'n. Kasi natututo kayo sa akin, sabi ko gano'n. Instead, na ako magbayad sa inyo ng payroll, sabi ko gano'n. Kasi iniisa-isa ko sila, so kailangan ko silang bigyan ng mga tasks para hindi ako napupuno. So, yun. I-delegate ko yung mga trabaho nila. So, ito yun. Wala akong focus. So, what I am doing now is to have 2 to 3 hours a day para sa digital business ko. So, kailangan yung 2 to 3 hours na yun, nakafocus ako sa kanya. So, wala mo na magluluto, wala mo na maglilinis ng bahay. So, yun. Wala ako na yung focus. So, kailangan ko siyang, that's the biggest lesson for me. I have to learn about that, on how to learn about focusing on one thing. So, kailangan talaga yun. At wala akong yun.
Thank you, Sis Lynn, for sharing that. You're so open. Yung plan mo to apply, magiging lesson or matututo tayo para ma-motivate and para sa next na level of growth natin. So, thank you for being honest and very encouraging too. And
Before that, ano pala, tastas muna. Hello to Sis Coach Monica from Canada. Hello, Sis Monica. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Alright. Sis Yes.
So, ako ulit. Ito na yung talagang question ko. So, maraming salamat sa pag-share nyo. Ang gaganda ng mga lessons na share nyo sa amin and super inspiring. So, for sure, malaking tulong yan sa mga nakikinig sa atin ngayong gabi. And ang question ko is, what is your personal vision for the next 2 to 3 years? Sis Belia.
What is my personal vision for the next 2 to 3 years? Okay, my personal vision is oh my gosh! Okay, so marami syempre yung mga dreams ko na especially to help my family, my relatives, my community in our place, and of course, to help more mommies, to help more, people to, to learn about this, opportunity na yung hindi pa nila alam na ito ay isang napakagandang opportunity na pwedeng gawin nila. Kasi ah, kung talagang, ah, itong opportunity ay anyone can do this, and syempre hindi lang yon, it can help their family also, not only for their pansarili, but ganun din sa iba na pwede rin na ma-share sa kanila. So yun ang personal vision ko na gusto kong ma-share more, and to help my family, my extended family, relatives, and community. And of course, for myself also, to see myself with my family, my husband and my two kids, like traveling and retired early, my husband. So that, and I want that very soon. Yeah.
Thank you, Sis Belia. How about you, Sis Lynn?
So my vision for myself
Next to
and
Tito.
for my digital business. Of course, personally, I want to thrive on my digital business. Gusto ko siyang umasenso. Gusto ko siyang maging stable as a digital business. So I want to invest in mentorship, to continue learning, to stay ahead of the trends about our business. Tapos, gusto ko rin maging align with that. To align with that, gusto kong magkaroon siya ng mga achievements, mga milestones. So, I want to have an achievement and maintain a healthy work-life balance. So, gusto ko kahit na busy ako sa digital business, gusto ko magkaroon pa rin ng healthy work-life balance. So, siguro kapag naging successful na siya, katulad ng mga iba nating business partners, nagkakaroon sila ng time freedom, they have more time with their families, with themselves. So, nakakapag-relax na sila. So, gusto kong ma-achieve rin yun. Yun. Tapos, what else? In 2 to 3 years. So, yun. Makapag-retire ako sa traditional business ko kasi we have a lot of bills coming up, piling up every month. So, yun. Meron tayo store rental, meron tayo electricity bill. So, gusto ko yung mag-graduate sa mga ganun. So, I want to build my digital business talaga. That is my vision for 2 to 3 years. And of course, to help others kapag meron ka ng pwedeng itulong. Kasi kung kailangan mo tulungan mo ng sarili mo, so you can help others. So that's it. Thank you.
Wow, great answer, Sis Belia and Sis Lynn. So we are so deeply grateful, Sis Belia and Sis Lynn, for sharing your inspiring journey with us. You've shown us that when we stay true to our vision and keep moving forward, even in small, consistent steps, we inch closer to the life we're meant to live. So your story reminds us that faith can move mountains. Progress, no matter how small, it is still growth. Living with purpose will always lead to impact. So keep shining, inspiring more lives. So we're excited to witness more of your dreams and transformation. So thank you so much. Back to you, Coach.
Ayan, sismita na ang ano natin dyan.
All right, but before I close, let's say hello to Moon Cly from Maine, USA. Originally from Cubao, Quezon City, Philippines.
Wow, hello. How are you?
Yan. So, Sis Lynn, Sis Belia, thank you so much for sharing your journey and your insights with us tonight. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating interview. But before we wrap up, this is your time to shine. You put the spotlight on you and feel free to promote your business,
Mm.
share where people can find you, and please leave us with your final words of wisdom. Let's start with Cicely.
So my final word, or it's time to shine. Now it's my time to shine. I am Ateline Del Monte, so you can call me Ateline. I am an entrepreneur by heart, and I am now a proud digital business owner. So I am inviting you all to watch our complimentary webinar. It's only a complimentary, so it's so free to watch. Kaya mag-watch lang kayo and to learn about the business before you start it. So yun, you can register on my website, linbelmonte.com. And of course, sa mga kasama ko dito, you can also ask and reach out sa amin so that we can help you to guide you if you want to build also this digital business na ginagawa namin. So yun lang. And of course, you can add us on our Facebook. So mas madali namin kayong ma-assist at matulungan. So thank you. If you seek, you will find. God bless us.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Sis Bella, you're muted. It's your time to shine, Sis
Oh my
Bella.
gosh, thank you. It's time for me to shine. Hello, everyone. Oh my God, I am excited for this opportunity. Thank you so much. Okay, so I am here, of course. I'd like you guys to know that this opportunity is not only for us. It's for everyone na merong dreams, pero parang hindi nyo pa naabot kahit kahit ang hirap niyong nagtatrabaho ng 9 to 5, 4 years, but feeling like parang ang layo pa rin, di ba? Ganun pa man, merong opportunity na ganito. So, if you are curious or interested, why not check it out, okay? So, meron tayong complimentary information and see it for yourself. Maybe this is the one you've been looking for a long, long time. Because nung nakita ko rin ito, syempre, akala ko hindi sa akin. But, nakita mo naman, nandito ako. Dati, ayoko nga makita ang aking pagmumukha anywhere, but I am here. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it. So, okay. So, kung gusto niyong malaman, syempre, just message kahit sino sa amin dito kasi pwede namin i-share sa iyo itong free information, okay? Only 90 minutes of your time to see this opportunity if this is for you or not. So, no pressure. Only we are sharing this to you kung gusto mong makita. So, of course, my name is Belia and I am sharing this with you because I am a mom na ginagawa ko na at ginagawa na rin ng marami, hundreds of thousands around the globe. So, why not see it too? Yeah, right? See it. So, just send us a message in person or just send us a message in person or kahit sino sa amin dito or just sign up to our link sa aming website, sa aking website din. And of course, kung may question kayo, syempre, we are here to answer all those questions kung meron kayo. So I am so happy for this opportunity, syempre. And of course, sinabi ko kanina na my personal vision is to help my family, my community, my relatives, my husband to retire early. Of course, mangyayari yon dahil I have a vehicle, this digital business that I'm doing it right now. And I'm so proud, of course. And syempre, hindi na ako maghanap ng iba dahil ito na ang perfect para sa akin. Kasi natitake care ko ang aking mga anak na hindi na ako umaalis. And not only that, ang napakaganda kasi, ngayon, dahil malaki na sila and nag-i-school na sila, may mga after-school activities pa. Naku, everyday talaga yan. Naku, Sunday na nga lang yung aking free, but parati akong nasa labas. So, pag hinatid ko sila sa kanilang after-school activities like, sports nila, like swimming lesson, practice, baseball, soccer, singing, or something, nasa car ako, kung ano ang saan ang office ko, inside the car. So, nakita mo yan, basta may wifi lang, talagang napaganda. So, you can do this too, okay? Kahit wala kang experience, just see it, okay? You are welcome to, to learn this, okay? For free. So, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, and God bless. And thank you, Coach Maita, of course, and Coach Daphne, and Coach Marites. And thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. Nakamute ka, Sis Daph.
Very lively
Ako
si
pa lang
Ate.
napamute. Sabi ko, I'm so excited. They're so energetic. And I love their message and how happy they are to be in this
Yeah.
business. Ayan. Let's just acknowledge one of our viewer. Ayan. Anong tawag nito? Moon Clive. He's from Cubao, originally in the Philippines, but he's now in Maine, USA. Hello po, kababayan. Thank you. Connect with us if you have any questions. Anywhere we can help and guide you. God bless. God bless.
God bless, God bless.
Ayan, ako na pala. Di ba, si Sumaita, ang galing-galing nilang lahat. Thank you.
Yes.
Ayan, so before we end up our 30-second na, no? Tama ba? 30-second episode, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Of our It's Your Time to Shine, brought to you by the Shiny Eagles. To end our episode tonight, let me share with you some inspiring or something to think about, to ponder. Because your story matters and it's still being written, every challenge, every small win, every step forward is shaping the person you're becoming. Ayan. So you don't have to wait for the stars to align. The moment you decide to take action is the moment your life starts to shift. Kasi kung wala nun, 'di ba? Paano mag-uumpisa, 'di ba? Kung if you don't wanna step forward. So believe in your own light, 'di ba? Take that first step. Keep going when it feels uncertain. Tonight, let this be your reminder po. You are capable, you are ready, and your time to shine is right now. So take action, take that leap of faith, connect with anyone who you felt connected with tonight, and we're always here to guide you. No pressure, just see what's in the inside and see if it's possible for us, it will be also possible for you. Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thanks, everyone. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless.
God bless, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
Until next time.